How to create stunning infographics using AI step-by-step tutorial. Imagine creating great-looking infographics that do not require any design skills whatsoever. Now, thanks to the power of AI, everybody can create professional-looking infographics in mere minutes. No graphic design training is needed, and neither is any previous experience. In this post, I will lead you through the process of making infographics using AI tools, as I share my thoughts and experiences. I've used a number of AI tools, each with its uniqueness. Just inputting text to generate an infographics is amazing. Not only does it save time, but it also gives a consistency, which is what one needs for brand identity. The customization options further allow for the personal touches that make an infographic special. Okay, let it start after simply login.
Then you're gonna see this type of interface, and you can see it's very easy to use website and very easy to use. Every features here, everything front of you. So first we're gonna click on all templates. If you want to use all templates, so you can find those templates here, and if you don't want to use any template, just simply click here, generate AI infographic. And my internet is slow, sorry. Yeah, that's it. And now you have to put your image prompt or infographic prompt here, and this tool will make that thing in a single second. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do it. If you are professional, if you are any doing like project for your company, for your school, for your college, for your any project, this tool is the best option for you. So this AI tool, Perplexity, yeah, this is the one, Perplexity. You can just go here, or you can just go any AI tool which give you the image prompt, which make you the image prompt, or you can just type it yourself and make it yourself. Yeah, but I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna try to write a prompt like give me an infographic prompt about anything. So I'm gonna write it down right now. Give me a infographic image prompt of human body and yeah, that's it, human body. Okay, so here we have to paste it, and that was showing me different option and I didn't saw that, so it's okay. So basically I'm just showing how you can create it. It's very simple. Go here, paste your prompt, and that's it, and click on generate. That's it. Now this tool going to make a proper infographic for you. Any kind of infographic, any kind of thing, this can make it for you. The human body, look at that, human body, everything professionally. So if you want to edit, just click here, edit this infographic. You can edit each and every single thing on this infographic. Image, you can just download image from Google, or you can just change image from here as well. And you have to use this tool. It's very easy, like a mobile editor. If you are professional, if you already have a command on a computer and everything, so you're gonna know what I'm talking about. I don't need to show you each and everything and make this tutorial longer. So this is the tutorial. And yeah, at the end I'm gonna say, you guys, if you're gonna buy this tool, if you're gonna buy the subscription for this tool, it will help me as well, so I can continue make this type of tutorials. So please keep supporting me, and yeah, like this video, and I'm gonna make a blog post for this as well, so you can read it, that blog post as well. So I'm gonna see you in my next tutorial. See you guys, take care. Bye bye.